Nithyananda everyone. So today we are going to be learning about the instrument which is called as the Damaru. So if you have seen Damaru, usually the moment you hear the name Damaru, you visualize only that small Damaru which is there on Mahadeva's Trishul, Parameshwar's Trishul, and you see that small Damaru and many people playing with that small Damaru. But this is also called as the Damaru, but the size is quite large. This Damaru is usually played in the Varanasi during the Ganga Arati. When the Ganga Arati is happening, right? When the Arati is happening, that time they take the Damaru and start playing it. So usually it's popular in the Varanasi and Haridwar, some of the places in North India. It is usually popular there. So this is the Damaru which is played during the Ganga Arati or any Arati in any of the North Indian temples. So during that time they play this Damaru. So I am going to be showing you all how to play this Damaru. So generally you hold it in a place where the rope is there, right, with which it hits the Damaru. So there you are going to be holding it. The center, actually one rope goes around all the ropes which are going across and holding this instrument tight, this area tight. So that area, that center place of the Damaru, you are going to be holding it, and where this rope is tied, right, there you are going to be holding it. And the other side also, this thing is there, the rope is there, and there also you are going to be holding it like this. And you can see, so I am going to be holding it there, and I am going to be lifting it, and just like how you play the small Damaru like this, right? Same way, but in this you are going to be holding it with both hands and just shake it like this. So that's how you play this Damaru. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you, Nithyanandam.